Hey guys, what's going on? All right, hey, this video, just a quick video on a cheese sauce, a queso sauce, if you will. There's a lot of smoked queso videos going on right now on YouTube. It's not one of those recipes. This is going to be cooked inside on the stove. Simple Velveeta cheese, some Mexican cheese blend, some Hatch green chili peppers that are been diced to cut up, bottled up, some of my wife's homemade salsa, which is awesome by itself, mixed with all this cheese. It's just a simple recipe. You can add whatever you want. You'll see it. It's great on breakfast, eggs, scrambled, easy over, whatever. It's good on burgers. It's good as a dip. Super simple. Thought I'd share it. It's one of my go-tos I've been doing for a long time. Yeah, it's good stuff. All right. As always, stick around. All right, guys, get this stovetop lit. Fire it up. I've got a non-stick pan that I did spray with some oven Pam spray. Got some Velveeta cheese all cut up, ready to go. Did a non-stick pan, but still threw that oven spray in there. Flame is a little hot. I think I need to tone it down here a bit, but let's go ahead and throw this cheese in here anyway. Get it nice and slow. Yeah, it's a little too hot. Let's crank her down a little bit. Turn it down. There we go. And just basically stir your cheese. Get it kind of, melty, of course. But as you can see, it was a little too hot. But with that non-stick spray and the non-stick pan, it kind of balances out a little bit, or will help that from sticking. The pan will cool. In the meantime, let's get these flame roasted green chilies from 505 Southwestern. Want to thank Jared from Frack Daddy Barbecue. Turned me on to these Hatch chilies, roasted chilies. And again, you can throw any chilies on here, any peppers you want, but these Hatch peppers are amazing, good roasted flavor. They bring out the salsa quite a bit. Be surprised. I really dig this salsa. Thanks, Jared, for sharing that with me. I did wind up finding that at Walmart. No, I'm sorry. I did get that at Costco. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and get this can of Rotel. Got a can of Rotel here. Get this opened up, and we're going to add the Rotel chilies to this. Kind of add a little liquid, balance that heat. There you go. Mild, diced tomatoes, chilies, Rotel. Good Rotel. Going to put about half a can in here and kind of stir it up. It'll absorb all that flavor and that cheese, and as you can see, it's about half a can. So we'll get this stirred up in here and combined all together. Guys, I'm telling you, if you've never done this before, give it a shot. This is so good on everything. Just chips, hey, why not? But I love it over eggs, over hash browns. You can put it on pretty much anything. Add a little Mexican style cheese on here, little Monterey, little cheddar, just to blend it up a little more. Again, to your taste buds, you can do Monterey Jack, you can do a jalapeno cheddar, whatever your flavor taste buds desire. Again, we're going on low heat here. Just kind of let it melt. Keep it stirring, keep it going, and it will all blend together very well. Good queso. Gonna go ahead and add the rest of these Rotel chilies in here, and you eyeball it. Just eyeball it, see how it looks. Add your little mixture in there. You may add a little, you can add a little milk if you want. You can add a little more water. Anything you like. I tend to go with the chilies in here like that and go from there with it. It's really good. Add some more Hatch peppers if you like, even better. And all right, here's the secret ingredient, at least on my side of the table. This is my wife's homemade salsa. Now this has jalapeno peppers, serrano peppers, cilantro. Yeah, it is some good stuff. By itself on some tacos, burritos, but in this salsa, even better. Let me tell you, it'll wake up everything in here. Gonna go ahead and incorporate that with everything else. Give it a good stir, good blend, and let it just merge together. Let it all marry together. You can see it's got a nice texture, nice consistency. That Mexican blended cheese is actually thickens it up a bit and makes it so much gooder or better. Now, guys, hey, trust me, this is a really good recipe. And, hey, you can use any salsa you like. If you make your own salsa, throw that in there. If you got a good store-bought salsa, that's good. Restaurant salsa, hey, steal some off the table. You can make it work. It's just combining a good pepper, good flavor. Anything you like, add it in here. There are no rules. That's why I'm really not saying it's an exact recipe, but it's so simple and so easy that you can add what you want, the flavor profiles you want, and basically get it to good consistency. You like a little thinner, a little thicker, again, totally up to you. This is about how I like mine right here. Just need to melt it down a little bit more. But looking at it, I think it needs a little more of those hatch peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some of those hatch peppers and see if we can throw them in here real quick just to add a few more. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. Now these hatch peppers have a good roasted flavor. It doesn't take much. But we're going to go with this little bit here. Again, incorporate it. Stir it up. Let's get it going. It's going to be killer. And again, on eggs, over easy, scrambled, on top of hash browns, on top of a burger. Guys, tell me what you think. Look at that. Look at that. Now again, when it cools, it's cheese. It's going to thicken up. It's going to get harder. Just warm it up, throw it in a container. You can nuke it the next day. Keep in your fridge for a few days. Trust me, guys. Trust me. You'll want to do this. It's excellent. Super easy. Very simple. Oh, so good. All right, guys, that's it. Super simple, easy recipe. You can tweak it however you'd like. Add what you want. Take away what you want. Very simple. I normally do this queso for breakfast, but I've actually put it on burgers, and you'll be surprised. Try it out. Check it out. If you do, comment below. Let me know what you put it on. Let me know how you do yours. I haven't ever smoked this queso before. I've always done it inside. That's why I showed the recipe this way. I may do it on the pellet or may do it on the grill, put it on the Weber one of these days, try it out, but that's how we do it. All right? Appreciate you guys as always. We'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy.